All right, WMC, this is the video to find our $50 break credit winner for last week. So this list of 73 entries is all of the unwinning spots from last week. So every spot that did not win is included in this list. So we're just going to randomize these, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So let's check the time, January 8th at 2:54 p.m. Going to go over to the, we'll call it the raffle and type live. January 8th at 2:54 p.m. You just need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Wade, spot 5. So Wade, you are the winner of the $50 break credit from last week. There again is all of our spots and our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, January 8th, 2:55 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.